Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ethical hacking is a vital part of cybersecurity. It's about finding weaknesses before the bad guys do. Think of it like this: you wouldn't want your house to have an unlocked door, right? Ethical hackers are like security consultants. They find those unlocked doors in computer systems. They help fix them before someone with bad intentions can exploit them. Understanding how hackers work helps us build better defenses. It allows us to protect ourselves and our data. So let's dive in and learn a bit about ethical hacking. Every job needs the right tools. For ethical hacking, two powerful tools are Hydra and Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a special operating system. It is designed for cybersecurity professionals. Think of it as a hacker's toolkit. It comes with a bunch of pre-installed tools. Hydra is one of them. Hydra is a password cracking tool. It's like a battering ram for online accounts. It tries different password combinations really fast. It keeps trying until it finds the right one. Hydra is very powerful. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We will talk more about ethical considerations later. For now, let's see how to get Hydra on your Kali Linux system. Installing Hydra on Kali Linux is easier than you think. With just a few steps, you'll have this powerful tool at your fingertips. In fact, it's probably already installed. Kali Linux is designed for penetration testing and comes with many tools pre-installed. Kali Linux comes with Hydra pre-installed, but let's make sure it's there and ready to use. Open your terminal in Kali Linux. The terminal is your gateway to communicating directly with your system. The terminal is where you type commands. Think of it as having a conversation with your computer. It's like talking directly to your computer, giving it instructions to follow. Type the following command and press Enter Hydra H. This command will check if Hydra is installed and display its help options. This command checks if Hydra is installed. If it is, you'll see a bunch of text explaining Hydra's options and usage. You should see a bunch of text explaining Hydra's options. This means Hydra is ready to use. If you see that, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. Installing Hydra is simple and straightforward. Just type this command in your terminal and press Enter sudo apt-get install Hydra. This command tells Kali Linux to download and install Hydra from its repositories. This command tells Kali Linux to download and install Hydra. The system will handle the rest, fetching the necessary files and setting everything up for you. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to start cracking some passwords. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. But before you do, remember, we're learning this for educational purposes only. It's crucial to use these tools ethically and legally. Using these tools on systems or accounts you don't have permission to access is illegal. Unauthorized access can lead to severe consequences. We'll discuss the ethical and legal implications soon. Stay tuned to ensure you're on the right side of the law while exploring cybersecurity. Now for the fun part, using Hydra. This powerful tool can help you test the security of various login forms and services. Let's start with a simple example to get you familiar with its basic functionality. Imagine you have a very basic web login form. This is something you might encounter on many websites. You need a username and a password to log in. This is where Hydra comes into play. Hydra can help you test the strength of this login form by attempting multiple username and password combinations. It can try different passwords until it finds the right one, making it a valuable tool for security testing. Don't worry, we won't be targeting any real website. This is strictly for educational purposes. We'll use a local setup for practice. This ensures that no real systems are affected. Here's a basic Hydra command, Hydra LP. This command is the foundation of using Hydra effectively. Let's break it down. This is where you put the username you want to test. It could be a single username or a list of usernames. This is the path to a file containing a list of passwords. These lists are crucial for testing. You can easily find such lists online. They are called word lists and are often used in security testing. This is the IP address of the system you're targeting. It directs Hydra to the specific system you want to test. In a real-world scenario, this would be the website's IP address. However, for our practice, we'll use a local IP. This specifies the service you're trying to access. Hydra supports a variety of services. For a web login form, it's usually HTTP or HTTPS, but Hydra can handle many other protocols as well. Remember, this is a very basic example. Hydra's capabilities extend far beyond just web login forms. Hydra is much more powerful and versatile. It can be customized to suit various testing needs. It can be used against various services like SSH, FTP, and more. This makes it a comprehensive tool for security professionals. But this simple example gives you an idea of how it works. With practice, you can master Hydra and enhance your security testing skills. Section 5, The Ethical Hacker, a Responsible Approach. We've learned about Hydra and how it can crack passwords. This powerful tool can be used to test the strength of passwords and identify vulnerabilities in systems. Now let's talk about the ethical implications. It's crucial to understand the responsibility that comes with such knowledge. Hacking, even for educational purposes, has a dark side. Misusing these skills can lead to serious consequences, both legally and morally. Ethical hackers are like superheroes. They possess the same skills as malicious hackers, but choose to use them for the greater good. They use their powers for good. Their goal is to protect systems, safeguard data, and help organizations improve their security. They have a strong moral compass. Ethical hackers adhere to a strict code of conduct and always act with integrity. They never use their knowledge for illegal activities. They understand the importance of legality and ethics in their work. Here are some key principles of ethical hacking. These principles guide their actions and ensure they remain on the right side of the law. Permission. Always get explicit permission before testing any system. This ensures that your actions are authorized and legal. Never target systems or accounts without authorization. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Disclosure. If you find a vulnerability, report it responsibly to the owner of the system. This helps them fix the issue and improve their security. Give them a chance to fix it before disclosing it publicly. Responsible disclosure helps prevent exploitation of the vulnerability. Legality. Be aware of the laws in your country regarding cybersecurity and hacking. Different countries have different regulations. What's legal in one country might be illegal in another. Always ensure you are compliant with local laws. Respect. Treat other people's data and privacy with respect. Never misuse or exploit the data you have access to. Don't access or modify data that you don't have permission to. Respecting privacy is a fundamental principle of ethical hacking. Remember, ethical hacking is about making the digital world a safer place. It's about using your skills to protect and serve. It's about using your knowledge for good and helping others. By following these principles, you can make a positive impact in the world of cybersecurity. Section 6. The Law and Its Teeth. Staying on the right side. Ethical hacking is one thing. Illegal hacking is another. The line between the two can be thin. It's crucial to understand the legal consequences of your actions. Unauthorized access to computer systems is a crime. This includes using tools like Hydra to crack passwords without permission. The penalties for such crimes can be severe. Fines, imprisonment, and a criminal record are all possibilities. Ignorance is not an excuse in the eyes of the law. Before you even think about using your hacking knowledge, make sure you understand the legal implications. Consult with legal professionals if necessary. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Remember, ethical hacking is about responsible disclosure. It's about working with system owners to improve security. It's not about causing harm or breaking the law. Section 7. Building Fort Knox Strong Passwords. We've seen how easily Hydra can crack weak passwords. Now let's discuss how to create strong passwords that can withstand such attacks. Think of your password as the key to your digital kingdom. A weak password is like a flimsy lock. A strong password is like a vault door. Here are some tips for creating strong passwords. Length matters. Longer passwords are harder to crack. Aim for at least 12 characters. Mix it up. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't be obvious. Avoid common words, phrases, or personal information that can be easily guessed. Unique passwords for each account. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account is compromised, they all are. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against hackers. Make it count. Section 8. Beyond the Wall. More security measures. Strong passwords are a great start, but they're not enough. Here are some additional security measures to protect your digital life. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code from your phone, in addition to your password. Beware of phishing attacks. Be cautious of suspicious emails or links that ask for your personal information. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Use a reputable antivirus program. A good antivirus can help detect and remove malware. Be mindful of what you share online. Think twice before sharing sensitive information on social media or other public platforms. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay informed about the latest threats and best practices to protect yourself. Section 9. Stay safe, stay savvy. We've covered a lot of ground. We've explored the world of ethical hacking. We've learned about Hydra and how it's used to crack passwords. We've discussed the ethical and legal implications of hacking, and we've learned some valuable tips for creating strong passwords and staying safe online. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how hackers operate, we can better protect ourselves. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe in the digital world. Happy hacking, but remember, always stay ethical and legal.